Good morning. How are you doing with all of this craziness and going to school online? It is a little bit different, but we are making it work here in Ohio. I have created this lesson because I love to draw with HTML, and it's super easy. Okay, so this is what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be creating an H1 or a heading 1 that says I love to draw, and we can draw with HTML. And this is a paragraph. I added some style to it. It says, write your name and what you're creating here. My name is Stephanie, and I'm creating a red circle. And then voila, there is my red circle. Now, you're already thinking, I know you, and you're already thinking the different colors that you can use here, how your circle can be different, the different colors that the circle can be, different things that you can draw other than a circle. Absolutely. I love it. Let's dive right in. Okay, so we're drawing a circle using HTML, and it's not hard at all, and it's super fun and it's super useful. Okay, so let's go ahead and, because we're going to be talking about SVG, and that tag has all kinds of fun things that we can do with it. So, and it's used for all kinds of different ways to organize your web page and make it fun looking and make it interesting for your readers and make them stay on and read all of the cool things that you are passionate about and you're trying to share with the world. So let's figure out how we can do this. All right, so let's make our basic HTML structure. So that is open bracket, exclamation point, and in caps, uppercase is our doc type. Type, HTML, and bracket. Next thing we want to do is open bracket HTML and bracket, open bracket head and bracket, open bracket title and bracket. Let's draw with HTML, and then we'll do our end title tag. Oops. Now, if we are moving too fast for you, check out some of our CodePen challenges, or our code card challenges that are earlier. This is number 5. So check out number 1, number 2, number 3, as we go through the basic structure of making an HTML, a web page with HTML. And that will be a little bit easier and a little bit slower. So this moves a little bit quicker for those who have done the other ones. And I hope you like it. Okay, so we are on our end head tag. So we do open bracket / head and bracket. Now, we have our body next, which we know this title is seen up here in our tags. If we weren't in a development, we're sort of in a development website of CodePen, but if we were outside and we were making this in a real live web page or website, our title would be up here. See, these are all titles up here. Titles, titles, titles. Okay. But for right now, we really can't see this because we're in this development type of website. So, but what we can see down here is going to be in our body. And let's set our body tag here, open bracket body, close bracket. And then the first thing I want to do is an H1, a heading 1. Let's do I love to draw. And we can draw with HTML, period. All right, and then let's end our heading tag. So that's open bracket / H1. Move this over here. All right, okay. Now let's do a paragraph tag. So that's just a P, and then we will do write your name and what you're creating here. My name is Stephanie, and I'm creating a red circle. Awesome. Now we'll end our P tag. Okay. And now let's get into creating our little circle here. So this is a new tag. So it's open bracket SVG height equals, and let's do 100. Let's just keep this small. Let's do 100. Okay. And then let's do width equals same thing. Let's do 100. Okay. And then bracket, close bracket. And now let's name what our SVG is going to be, and let's make it a circle. CX equals, let's see, 50, apostrophe 50. And CY, these are just coordinates of where we are going to put this circle. 50. And R for radius equals 40. And we're going to play with these too. And stroke, that's just a line thickness, equals black. And if you're already thinking, oh, I can change that color, you absolutely can. And let's do stroke dash width. Oh, Bear, what are you barking at? Equals apostrophe 3. And fill, let's see. And fill equals, I think we said we were going to do this as a red circle. So red, and then there it is. Yay! And then forward slash and our bracket. Awesome. And then forward slash or open bracket forward slash and our SVG. And then let's end our body tag. So that's open bracket forward slash body. Close. And then let's end our HTML. So open bracket forward slash HTML. And close bracket. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Now, I don't want to leave it just like that. Let's add a little bit of style to our H1. So we come over here, H1, open curly bracket. Let's do color blue. Awesome. And that changes my H1 to blue. Let's do font size equals 50 px. Make it a little bit bigger. What's wrong here? Oh, no, not equals, colon. All right, and that makes it bigger. And then let's do some styling for our paragraph tag. And let's do color. I think he needs to go out. Color, colon, red. Font size, colon, let's try 60. Oh, okay, look how good that looks. All right, now, instead of this fill being red, let's fool around with it a little bit. Let's put green, and that should change it. Ooh, very nice. And we could do stroke width instead of 3. Let's do 5. Oh, and look how much thicker that stroke width is, that black stroke. Okay. Oh, speaking of, instead of black, why don't we try white? It will disappear. Ooh, how about let's try lime? Ooh, very cool. Okay, so go through your color, font color names from W3 schools, and you can, I think there are over 140 that you can play with. So pink, that'd be a nice like little color combination. Orange,